These are the solutions to Melham's exam 2 for Math 225. Okay, number 1, give the domain of the function. There's a square root. So all of this stuff underneath the square root has to be greater than or equal to 0. So negative 3x plus 10 greater than or equal to 0. Add 3x to both sides. 10 is greater than or equal to 3x. Divide by 3. 10 thirds is greater than or equal to x, or x is less than or equal to 10 thirds. So negative infinity to 10 thirds bracket. Number 2, piecewise defined function. X squared is a parabola. Okay, square root of x is square root function. They both pass through the origin. So x squared looks like this. Square root function looks like this. So this is what it looks like piecewise. Number 3, average rate of change. 2 comma something, 6 comma something. So I plug in 2, f of 2, 4 minus 4 is 0. F of 6 is 6 squared minus 2 times 6, which is 36 minus 12, 24. So the average rate of change is f of 6 minus f of 2 divided by 6 minus 2, 24 minus nothing divided by 4. Answer is 6. Number 4, square root of x looks like that. Square root of x plus 2, move 2 to the left, negative 2, 0. Okay, 5, f of g of x. So your functions are 5x minus 21, negative 4x plus 13. Find f of g of x. So it's f of negative 4x plus 13. That thing goes into the f function. So 5 times negative 4x plus 13 minus 21. Negative 20x plus 65 minus 21. Final answer is negative 20x plus 44. Number 6, find the inverse. Y equals x cubed minus 5. Switch around x and y. X is y cubed minus 5. Add 5. X plus 5 equals y cubed. Take the cube root. So y is f inverse of x, cube root of x plus 5. Okay, 7. You're given the points 2, comma 11, negative 3, 1. This language says that goes through the point 2, 11, and negative 3, 1. So first I find the slope. So 1 minus 11 divided by negative 3 minus 2. That's negative 10 over negative 5, which is 2. Throw it into the point slope form. Y minus y1, y minus 11 equals m2 x minus 2. Y minus 11 equals 2x minus 4. Add 11, so y equals 2x plus 7, which is f of x. And a side note, if you plug in 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 4 plus 7 is 11, that works. Plug in negative 3, 2 times negative 3 is negative 6, negative 6 plus 7 is 1. We know that works. Okay, number 8. So graph, find the vertex and intercepts. Okay, so the vertex is at negative b over 2a, so 2 over 2 times 1, which is 1. So 1 comma negative 4, plug in 1, you get negative 4. That's the vertex. Okay, factor the original expression, x minus 3, x plus 1 equals 0. X is 3 and negative 1. So I have 3 comma 0, negative 1, 0 as x-intercepts. And y-intercept, plug in x is 0, you get 0, negative 3. So here's the graph. Vertex here, x-intercepts here, y-intercept here. Number 9, perimeter is 12. Call it x and y. So 2x plus 2y equals 12. Solve for y. Subtract 2x. 2y equals 12 minus 2x. Divide by 2. Y equals 6 minus x. Area is x times y, or x times 6 minus x. 6x minus x squared, or negative x squared plus 6x, which is a parabola opening down. So the vertex will give me the maximum. Vertex is negative b over 2a, negative 6 over u times negative 1, which is 3. And plug back in and find y. It's also 3. So 3 meters by 3 meters. Okay, 10. Quick graph. The zeros are negative 2, 1, and 4. So negative 2, 1, and 4. Make a sign chart. Plug in negative 5, 0, 2, and 5. Plug in negative 5, negative, negative, negative. 3 negatives make a negative, so it's negative on that side. Goes to negative infinity. 0, positive, negative, negative. Multiply them together, you get a positive. So it goes up. Between 1 and 4, like 2. Plug in 2, positive, positive, negative. Gives me a negative, so it goes down. 5. Plug in 5, positive, positive, positive. It goes up toward infinity. So there's a quick graph. And finally, 11, 1 over x squared looks like this. And I move it 1 unit to the left to get what I want, which is y equals 1 over x plus 1 squared. Okay, so move over 1. So x equals -1, vertical asymptote. The x-axis, or y equals 0 horizontal asymptote. And it never touches the x-axis. Y intercept plug in 0, 1 over 1. So 0, 1 is the y-intercept. Right, so that was Math 225, exam number 2, solution key.